Kucoin. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto on Kucoin. So in order to buy crypto on Kucoin, first thing first, you'll have to log in. So once you're logged in, tap the home icon located right at the bottom, and that's going to direct you to the home page. Over here, you'll need to make sure to transfer it using P2P. So for that, you need to go ahead and select P2P from the top left hand side. As soon as you do that, under it you'll be able to find an option as buy crypto. Go ahead and select that. On the other interface, you'll be able to see this interface where you need to go ahead and enter in the exact detail of the cryptocurrency that you wish to purchase or all that stuff. Once you're done entering the information, click the buy button located in the bottom right hand side corner. Next page, you have to go ahead and make sure to enter in the exact amount and click the buy button located right at the bottom. Now you need to go ahead and do the trading process. So for that, you need to go ahead and select the USD type. You need to select the currency type, and once you're done selecting the currency type, you also need to enter in the exact amount that you're buying. So click the buy button located right at the bottom once you're done making changes. In order to confirm the order, go through it all and click the pay button located right at the bottom. In order to complete the payment procedure, enter in the payment details and click on payment complete. Now you have to wait for the seller to confirm the payment. So for that, if you want to remind the seller, you can do that as well by tapping the remind seller button, or you can just wait for 15 to 10 minutes and then you'll receive the payment. As after the payment has been confirmed or after the payment has been completed, then you'll be taken to the transaction complete page where you need to go through all of these information, and then you'll be notified with the statement that you've successfully bought crypto on Kucoin. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.